Hi kids, welcome back. Kids, we will test A, B, C, D. A to Z. Colors: pink, sky blue, orange, yellow, green, violet, red, blue, light green, black, purple, and brown color. A,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you
B,
sing with me?
C,
A B C D E F G
D,
H I J K L M N O P Q R
E,
S T U V W X
F,
Y and Z. Now I know my
G,
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
H,
me?
I, J, K, L,
A B C
M,
D E F G H I J K
N,
L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and
O,
Z. Now I know my
P,
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
Q,
me?
R,
A B C D E F G H I J K L M
S,
N O P Q R S T
T,
U V W X Y and
U,
Z. Now I know my ABCs.
V,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C,
A B C D
D,
E F
E,
G H
F,
I J K
G,
L M N O P
H,
Q R
I,
S T
J,
U V
K,
W
L,
X Y
M,
and Z.
N,
Now I
O,
know my
P,
ABCs.
Q,
Next time,
R,
won't you sing
S,
with me?
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
A B C D E
Thanks
F
for
G
watching. If you like this
H I
video, don't
J
forget
K
like
L
and
M N O
subscribe.
P